Hello guys, this is Virendra, and today we are going to learn about HTML. So before going to HTML, we have to know about like web pages and web. What are the web and like what is the website difference between dynamic and static websites. So before moving to the HTML, firstly we have to know about the web page and like website. So web page is like just I'm just opening the like Flipkart. So in the first page we have showing something. So on the going to Flipkart part, we have show some data. So in data we have a while clicking on we have lots of links. So like I'm clicking on the top of it will be moved to the next page. So they have a different pages. So every one particular page it's a web page, and we if we have a lots of web pages that makes a website, so they are integrated together. While clicking on here they will navigate onto this page, so they will interlinked. So these are the like that is the main difference of a web and website. So web is like web pages is like a part of website, so it is a subset of a website. And a web page like website is like a large of it is like a application. So inside that we have some functionality, we have lots of pages based on the requirement of like based on requirement and documentation. So we are like that is the main difference. And if you talk about structure and movement, so we have a dynamic things like we have a while hovering on that they will show on window. While clicking on that they will navigate to the some pages. Like while clicking on mi, it will navigate on the mi mobile things. So they have a movement. So we have a structure that is static, but while clicking on that they will move to the next page. So this is the movement. We can say also say this is a static and dynamic part. So we have a this is page which is static, and like this page is not doing anything, so that may be a static image. And some of the things like while hovering on that that will move, like that will open the window, and while clicking on that that will move to the next page. So that is a part of dynamic things. So static and dynamic, like structure part is a static, and whatever we are going to click on that they will move to next page or next part. They comes under dynamic part, or continuously it is moving or doing some animation. So that is a part of dynamic thing. So HTML part. So a part of that we can we have we move to the HTML part. So HTML is like 1 minute. HTML. So its full form name is one hypertext transfer protocol. So I will define the everything. Sorry, not transfer protocol. It's a markup language. So in that we can say that hypertext means a link. Normally they have a tag which is linked to all the things. So hypertext we can link a page with others, and the markup language is like we can make a structure, or we can make a structure with the help of other language. We can make develop a website. So that is a markup language rather than a language which we are using a core. Like we have a Java, JavaScript, we have a Python, we have a C Sharp. So these are the language, core language. But markup language, like with the help of that, we are making any website, or we are like with the help of that we are doing the other things. So that it comes under markup language. And part of that, uh, inside that HTML we have normally we are using we have three things in the website. So first we are going to Flipkart. I'm showing you like what are the three things. So in the this web page, this is the dynamic. So whenever I'm going to inspect now, so we have a HTML in the element part. Here we have a CSS, what are we have applied. And if you want to know about JavaScript, so we can see here whatever the API we are used with the JS, we have some file source contact the JS. So they also written his logic on here. So that way they are generating. Normally we have implementation. So HTML is like normally it give me the structure. So structure of this body, and CSS give me the color, or like whatever the on that we have a structure, we have a color. So they give me the color, and the dynamic thing will given by our JS. So whatever the dynamic thing, like if we want to like click on that, that will go to new website, and that will be fully refreshed thing. So that is called maybe API by API, or it may be called by any other thing. So that it comes under JS. So normally I have a structure that will give me a more clear structure of HTML, JS, and CSS. So normally HTML doing, we have a structure. They may make a skeleton of a website or a web page, and whatever the movement things we have, so inside that, so it's work like muscles inside the body. So it will be given by JS, and the like whatever the upper side we are giving the color and size and shape of the particular web page, that is given by CSS. So how more like attractive we can make with the help of CSS, and how flexible we have to make, that is with help of JS, and with the help of HTML we can only give the structure of that particular website or web pages. So that is the main difference. And yeah, so apart of that, we are moving to like a first hello. With the help of HTML, we are giving the one, like we are printing the hello world. So normally we have a, I'm just making a web one file. So normally we can put it like that. So firstly, if you are going to print, I'm just explaining you. This is the head part. So inside that we are providing a title, we are providing the link of any website, or like we have a some link, we have to link the like CSS file or JS file, we can link it here. And so the meaning of HTML lang is, it is in English. Lang means language, and en for English, and this is a char set, so that is you have to add. And we have a viewport, so we have a whatever the length of our width of our website or device of screen, that is automatically text. And in scale, initial scale is like it is 1.0. So whatever the 100% we have a width, that will takes 1.0. If we put 200, then it will takes 200, or like a viewport. And the title we can put it like a first website or web page, hello world. No, that is fine. So, and inside the body we can do anything. So inside the body we can put a nav tag, or we have many tags. So based on the symmetrical, non-symmetrical, we have many tags. Firstly, I'm just printing the hello world, so I'm just taking a heading, hello world. So we can take hello world. For the launching live server, we have to download some live server. So I have already downloaded, and that's why it is opening, so it takes some time. Wait. Yeah, so it's printing hello world. So it's a structure. Normally we just like make a setup of this, we can do that, and we can print it the hello world. So heading, uh, I will just show in the next video what is the heading and what is the thing. So today I have like tell like teach about what is the difference between web and web page and website. And second thing, structure like a static and dynamic website. And what is the HTML, what is the full form HTML, then a simple code of hello world. So that is my first day. So that's all about today. Okay, thank you so much.